Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Tobias and today we're going to unbox the Might of Galadriel box for the Tales of Middle-earth. And yeah, we just open up here in the top. Nice and easy. We get to take out the box. Some really nice artwork here. And spots for 6 cards, I think. And this one can stand, so we're going to have that with the cards. And then we've got some artwork here, also here, and we've got the cards here. So let's see. So got some special cards in here. And we've got some set boosters here. So I'll just open up these ones to have a look inside. Some nice artwork. And this one. It seems they don't want to come out, but we've got some nice foil cards here. Hopefully some useful cards. I hope so, for some games with these cards. Well, that was it for the Might of Galadriel box. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.